Hey guys, this is Jordan. I'm going to be showing y'all how to fix your water leak on your 2001 CRV. I've had a lot of issues trying to get this fixed. I've sealed the roof gutters. I've sealed a lot of stuff inside the car, like the seam. I'll show you. I've sealed that seam up right there and everything, and there is still water just pouring in here. It's dripping down off these harnesses and stuff, and it's coming through a hole up there that is right behind this here little panel. So I'm gonna be cutting a hole in the panel here to access that, and I'm gonna show you guys how to seal that up and stuff. I'm gonna be using my grinder with safety glasses. Cut that. Wouldn't be a bad idea to have a full face shield, but I'm just going to use safety glasses. But other than that, yeah, let's get to it. All right, and I am using MP1 to seal this stuff with. You just use whatever you want there. It doesn't matter. But all right. I'm gonna move that line there.
I don't need it.
What is it?
Windshield wiper fluid. It don't work. My reservoir's busted and my lines are clogged. They don't work.
And there it is. Got it cut, and I believe around there is going to be your main culprit where water is getting in. Alright, so now it's all done. I mean, I literally filled up all the way around that bad boy. I sealed up all the way. I seen a little hole down right up in there that I sealed up. Went ahead and sealed up that seam on the back side of that and the lower side of that right there. all the way around, sealed up. So gonna let that dry and then see if it leaks. Keep y'all updated. All right, so I gave it a few days, let all that stuff cure real good, and I tested it out, and that fixed my issue right there. So yeah, if you're having issues with water leaking in your floorboard, this could be your problem here. If you've tried all your other options like I did, sealing the roof gutters and the inside here, this seam back in here, sealing that seam. I did all that and it was still leaking, so did this and it fixed it. I also had to seal this up right here. Water was getting in there, so I just put some silicone around that little grommet just to fix that. But yeah, that is it, guys. Next I'll be installing AC on that, my K-swapped Integra, doing the AC tuck kit from DC5 Creation. So stay tuned if you want to see that, and be posting more on this as I go along as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Y'all have a wonderful day. See y'all later.